everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS car, guys. Big block 396 underneath the hood, 4-speed manual trans. Pretty car. This car's out of North Carolina. It's got a rock solid North Carolina body. This is your factory color combination. It's Fathom green metallic with the green vinyl, midnight green vinyl interior. It's also got the black vinyl top. It's got the white SS hockey stripe. Pretty car. Very nice underneath. Got the car underneath up on the hoist. Took some pictures of the bottom. It's all shiny black. I've got all the receipts for the restoration. It was completed in 2011. Great car. Really just a good car, guys. And I'm telling you, I wish we were going to take it down the road today, but the roads are wet. This thing runs and drives excellent. Nice and tight, plenty of power, fun car to drive. I'll show you when we get inside. It's actually got an X22 on the trim tag. Guys, we've been doing this for 41, going on 42 years. I'm not going to fib to you. The guy told me that the build dates don't match up on the tag, so I'm not going to guarantee this car to be a factory big block car. But it does have the X22 on the tag. You can see how nice that grille is. The bumpers have been replaced, front and rear spoilers. It's got the correct SS egg crate hood. Pretty paint. Trim and stainless is nice. Other than a few little touch-up marks, there's not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car, guys. You can see that dash is nice. And like I say, very impressive the way this thing drives down the road. Vinyl top's in great shape. Good, solid North Carolina body. Yeah, I like this car, guys. This is just a good car, man. Nice and flat down the sides. Like I say, the bottom of the car is just as impressive as the top. Nice set of SS rallies. It's got the BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Sorry guys, that's just some water droplets. There's not actually, it's got a few of them. Probably the spray from the wax. I bet you they forgot to wipe it off. You can go ahead and open that door in the deck lid, Eddie. Power front disc brakes. This is an era correct 68, 69, 396 in it, mild cam in it, Holley dual feed 4-barrel. It's got the Offenhauser aluminum intake, does have a set of hooker headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. It does have the Muncie 4-speed manual trans, Be Cool aluminum radiator with a shroud. It's also got electric fan up front, chrome air cleaner and valve covers. And like I say, that tag does have an X22 on it, guys. I'm just going right by what the man told me. He said the build dates didn't align, so I'm not going to guarantee this to be a factory big block car. Boy, it's a nice car, man. wheels are nice, all the trim's nice. I think a lot of this interior is actually original, guys. There's a couple of things you can kind of nitpick on that. It's still very, very nice. Fix a little part of the seat there. Bucket seats, console. It's got the stock Hurst shifter in it. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts. Headliners in great shape. 90,397. That is supposed to be your original miles. Factory dash. Got an aftermarket tack in it. Aftermarket radio. It's got an X-pipe Flowmaster dual exhaust system in it. It's got the multi-leaf 12-bolt 355 limited slip rear end. It's all spackle coated in the trunk like it should be. These are all the receipts for the restoration. Also, it's got the an assembly manual that came with it. Nice car, guys. Let me fire this thing up too, man. This thing's got a great sound to it. Nice little cam to it. And like I say, running and driving wise, outstanding car. Right there in the seat. That's a nice car, man. The console light works. I'll have Eddie fire it up here. Hanging out in the building. It's too cold for him, he said. You can hear the door buzzer works. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, nice little cam. This thing just pounds the ground. 69 Camaros, man. Great for collectors. They hold their value. Outstanding. I know the parking brake works. Matter of fact, the little light's on. The parking brake's on right now, Eddie. Fuel gauge works. The little tack works. Give it a little rev, Eddie. Radio works down there. Brake lights, left turn signal, right turn signal, backup, boy, great sound. Turn your radio up there. I know the blower motor works, guys. Oh, I don't know what I've done to push something. Let's see if I can get this. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry. That's not the volume. I know the radio works, so that's searching for the station. I'm sorry. That tells you what kind of radio guy I am. Wipers. Go ahead and turn your lights off. Remember, your parking brake's on, Eddie. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our YouTube page, or as always, the old-fashioned way, guys. You can pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Gotta take the parking brake off. Give a little rev, Eddie. Have a great day, guys.